That's right. You read it right. 80% off is back. 80% off the initial charge on an Apex Trader funding account, any evaluation, and 80% off all recurring payments. Okay, so these are those accounts you buy it once and you keep it. Don't cancel it until you get that thing funded, right? So if you need more of them, we had this sale towards the end of last year. Now's your chance to get another one, get it back, get some more. 80% off, 80/80 sale. Use code WIN80, WIN 80. Go to futuresniperbeast.com/Apex Trader funding. But let me show you something. Before y'all jump off here and go and grab your accounts, hold on one second. Yes, we have that sale going on. Let me show you real quick the first link in the description of this video on YouTube. This video. Go in there. You're going to hit that. Open it up. And it'll pull up this website, futuresniperbeast.com/connect. This is where you can go anywhere to follow me. But what I want you to see, I want to show you this. Apex Trader funding discounts emailed to you. Go here, click this button right here. Okay? Enter your email. Enter your email right there, okay? Enter your email and you're going to get these sales, anything that you really need to know, emailed straight to you, okay? No spam, no junk, no crazy amount of emails, only things that are in relation to sales, mainly sales. That's pretty much it, okay? So you're going to get those sales emailed right to you. So that way, if you're doing something, you don't have to wait for a YouTube video. You don't have to wait to check your Facebook. Emailed directly into your inbox, okay? Do that. I highly encourage you to do that. Those emails typically go out before anything else. When I schedule these to go out for sales, I schedule the email to deliver first, and then everything else goes second. Okay? So do that. Go out there, grab your accounts, okay? 80/80, code WIN80. Do that, and let's get all those funded, guys. We got to get those funded. All right. Hope everybody has a great evening. I'm happy to do that, to announce this. This goes on through January 23rd. We have a little bit of time. January 23rd, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay? So grab those, get them funded, and trade well, everybody. Talk to you later.